Hello everyone, for today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make seedling mix. There are two things you need to consider in making your own seedling mix. The substrate must be well draining and it must support nutrients for the plant's early stages. To do this, I would usually mix in 2 parts carbonized rice hull and 1 part compost. If you do not have compost, you can always use other fertilizers such as chicken manure, vermicast, and other liquid concoction such as fish amino acid, fermented plant juice, or lactic acid bacteria. You can always use sand, perlite, or fresh rice hull as substitute if you do not have carbonized rice hull. Now if you're on the warm summer months, I would suggest mixing coco peat or sphagnum moss to the mix to preserve moisture. Just be sure that you chop them well. The consistency that you want is when you compress it, it must not drip water, and if you release it, it will stay in shape. Now if it doesn't, you might need to add more substrate or ingredients, and if it doesn't stay in shape, you need to add more water. And for my viewers here in the Philippines, if you want to buy gardening tools or ingredients shown in the video, I will put a link in the description below. Halamanin is a online shop based here in Manila, and they sell gardening products, fertilizers, and tools. If you have enjoyed this video and find this informative, consider sharing this video to your friends. If you have questions or suggestions, leave it in the comment section. We have a Facebook page. I'll put the link down below. If you want to support my channel, subscribe. This is Edgar, signing out.